Hey guys, in this I shall discuss more problems on differentiability. So in this question they have given the function f of x as uh, this and this in these intervals. So we have to check the differentiability of this function at -2 and 0. So let's do the left derivative at -2. So we get L dash -2 is equal to limit h tends to 0 uh, f of x minus h. In this case x is -2 minus h minus f of -2 by h minus h. So limit h tends to 0. Let's put the values there. We get 2 into -2 minus h minus 2 into plus 3 minus 2 into -2 plus minus 3 divided by minus h. This gives us limit h tends to 0. 2 into -2 is -4 minus 2h plus 3 plus 4 minus 3. So we see these two get cancelled by minus h. So this gives us limit h tends to 0 minus 2h by minus h. Minus get cancelled, h gets cancelled, so the answer is 2. So the right derivative at -2 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of -2 plus h minus f of -2 by h. So this gives us -2 plus h plus 1 minus -2 plus 1 by h. So this is -2 plus h plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1 by h. So -2 and plus 2 get cancelled, 1 and -1 get cancelled, h and h also get cancelled, so it is 1. So we see that the right derivative is not equal to the left derivative, so the function is not differentiable at x equal to -2. So now let's check the differentiability of the function at x equal to 0. So limit at the left derivative at 0 is limit h tends to 0 f of x in this case is 0 minus h minus f of 0 by h minus h. So this is limit h tends to 0. When we substitute 0 minus h in this, we get minus h plus 1 minus 0 plus 1 by h minus h. So this becomes limit h tends to 0 minus h plus 1 minus 1 by minus h. These two get cancelled and these two get cancelled, so we get 1. And the right derivative at 0 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. So when we substitute this here, we get limit h tends to 0 plus h plus 2 minus 0 plus 2 by h. Limit h tends to 0 plus h plus 2 minus 2 by h. These two get cancelled, we get 1. So we see that at 0 the left derivative is equal to the right derivative. So the function is differentiable at x equal to 0 and not differentiable at x equal to -2. In this question they have given a function that is x squared plus 3x plus a when x is less than equal to 1 and bx plus 2 when x is greater than 1. So this function is given to be differentiable and we have to find the values of a and b. So if this function is differentiable, the left derivative should be equal to the right derivative at 1. So left derivative of 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h plus minus f of 1 by minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0. When we substitute this here, we get 1 minus h whole square plus 3 into 1 minus h plus a minus 1 square is 1 plus 3 plus a divided by minus h. So let's expand this. We get limit h tends to 0 1 plus h square minus 2h plus 3 minus 3h plus a minus 1 minus 3 minus a by minus h. So a gets cancelled, 1 and 3 also get cancelled. So we are left with limit h tends to 0, h square minus 2h minus 3h is minus 5h by minus h. So we get h gets cancelled here. So when we substitute 0, we get minus 5. And the right derivative at 1 will be limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 by h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus h. When we substitute, we get b into 1 plus h plus 2 minus b plus 2 by h. So when we expand this, we get limit h tends to 0 b plus bh plus 2 minus b minus 2. So 2 gets cancelled, b gets cancelled by h, so h also get cancelled, so we get this is equal to b. So we get minus 5 is equal to b. So we get from this we get b is equal to minus 5, because the right derivative should be equal to the left derivative. Then also we know that the function has to be continuous, so the left value should be equal to the right value. So when we substitute 1 here and 1 here, both the values should be equal. So let's substitute 1 in both the functions and equate it. We get 1 square is 1 plus 3 plus a is equal to, in this when we substitute 1, we get b plus 2. So this becomes 4 plus a is equal to b, we got as minus 5, so minus 5 plus 2. So a is equal to minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, and when we take 4, that's how we get minus 4. So a is equal to minus 7.